I just want to see how much more I'm gonna have to raise it. 130. 155. That's about where I can get all I can. Basically just getting it near flush. You know, close as you can. That's actually pretty freaking good. Close, you put the grid on, then you can find our device then. Throw that on there. Installing the laser alignment. Make sure this is nice and square. Make sure it's level also. But make sure you put this grid on before you put this on. Know that it is close now that I can fit this grid on, so it's able to be, you know, finely tuned now. Another little trick I like to do, I like to keep these at 8 inches apart, because the first measurement you'll be plugging into your device.
What are you keeping 8 inches apart?
The two
Oh, okay.
lasers. I like to keep 8 inches apart. I'm just going to snug this up and I'll get a tape measure and measure it. I also like to make sure I'm not on this. You see how that bevels off there? Make sure this is on a flat area, so you're not getting some kickback on it. Got these, snug these up nice and tight so they don't move. Batteries are in there. Stationary. Movable. All right. Now, you must come closer and check out the lasers here. You want to get them on the red mark on either side. See how that one's so far off? This
Okay.
one's pretty close. We've got dials on here that control that. This one controls this laser. This one controls that laser. You just dial them in right there. Now you're in position. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we'll find our measurements. Using our computer, it asks for 3 dimensions. It asks for your C dimension would be bolt to bolt. Your B dimension would be bolt to your first device, laser. And then your A dimension would be from laser to laser. And once you have them three, you write them down right there.
Okay.
Plug them in there. And basically it's a follow the computer game from here. It's asking me to...
And
here.
it tells you where to move your motor.
Since this is our movable, we are looking at it this way. You want to look at towards your stationary. So it's asking me to now roll this down to the horizontal because it wants to see the horizontal. So I will. Try not to break your lasers. Put your hands through them. I like to try to keep the beam staying where it needs to be. Get it level at the horizontal mark. Best you can between them both. Once you have that there, go ahead and press on the right side. It'll blink a few times, let it set, reset itself to 0, 0. Now it's asking me to rotate it a whole 180 degrees to the opposite side. I'll go over there, rotate it. That's there. Once again, hit over. Wait until it gets to 0, 0. Now it's telling me where I need to go. Right. This will be my angular. This is my parallel. F1, F2. Foot 1, foot 2.
Okay.
And it's telling me basically angular would be how they're sitting like this, how the couplings sit like this. Parallel, how they sit like this. In the vertical area.
Okay.
Because that's vertical, we're doing our vertical now.
Okay.
So basically it's telling me there, between them, and it's telling me this way. And because of that, these are, see how they're negative?
Yeah.
Flip it over. For vertical alignment, negative values, add shims
Okay.
to your movable.
Okay.
All right, we're going to go for round 2 now. I'm going to loosen these bolts up and provide the shims that are needed under each foot. Jack these up, we'll put the needed amount of shims underneath and we'll tighten her back down. Soft foot over here. Bolts tight, or loose. Got some soft. Add to refill. 5 thousandths. Loose. Let's go up to 10 thousandths. got some play in there. Let's go up to 15 thousandths. Still got some play. 20 thousandths. How's everyone doing it? Ooh. Try to keep your smaller shims on the inside, your bigger shims. Helps keep them from bunching up, running around. That's pretty snug there. Alright. I'll tighten her down and we'll see where we're at. Procedure for direct drive alignments. Any further questions, please contact Arm Equipment. We also do installations. Thank you.